Hello, welcome back to LucidityLeah. I'm Leah. Thank you for tuning into my channel. Don't forget to like and subscribe. We can get right into the video today because we got a lot to accomplish. Today we're going to be dyeing my whole head copper. If you don't follow me on TikTok, you should, because you would see that we were in a hair saga for a second. I was trying to dye the ends of my hair like a reddish color, like a very nice copper, and had a couple fails, trial and errors, and finally I was able to get it to the color I wanted, which is this right here. Really cute, kind of faded a little bit. And so after I was like, okay, well, you know what? Do I want to do it again on my ends, or do I just want to do my whole head? So I'm like, okay, I'm gonna do my whole head. It is the new year. I have just been feeling like some change. I want to do my eyebrows along with it, and we're just gonna do it because why not? So without further ado, let's get into the video. I went to Sally's today and I got the L'Oreal Techniques High Color Highlights in copper. I've been seeing like a lot of this on TikTok and stuff that people use this, and their hair usually lightens, so I'm excited to see how it's gonna do on my hair. This is my natural hair color right now, and I feel like it is gonna lighten. I don't know how it's gonna do with the back of my hair with the ends, but we shall see. It might be something really cool, might be ghetto, don't really know. Just finished taking out my hair. This is what the length is looking like in the back of it. And I already mixed up the dye. It's a very bright orangey color, all mixed up. And I use 30 volume developer for it. So we're gonna get right into dyeing it. Okay, I already started applying it. I feel like it's already lifting too. And we're gonna keep going, and I'm so excited. Like something about a new cut, a new color, a new hairdo,
a new style, a new hairdo, a new cut, a new color.
It just ignites like something different in me. I don't know. It's giving Lorax. Y'all, look at my hair. The eyebrows are giving Lorax. Who's gonna save the pumper of trees? Who's gonna save them? Me, the Lorax. It's giving that video where the girls dancing for Halloween in the Lorax costume. But okay, I'm gonna leave this on for 30 minutes. I'm gonna put a cap over it, leave it on for 30 minutes, and then I will come back when I wash it off. I cannot, I'll be back. Okay, so this is what it's looking like. I like it. It's very fiery. I love the copper edges. Get into it. I like how it came out. My eyebrows, they're a little vibrant, but I also think I burned my under my eye a little bit, so we're definitely gonna have to treat that. But other than that, I like the result. This was looking in the back. I think the back didn't lighten as much as I wanted it to, but it's the back. No one's gonna really see it, and I'm also gonna be putting braids in my hair, so that's kind of why I did this, because I wanted just to look really nice under the braids. I'm gonna be putting the Apogee 2-step protein in right now, so I will do that, and then I will come back after I shampoo and do this. Because when do I not come on this camera looking crusty? This is the update of what it came out and looked like. This is like a day later. Y'all, I have to get some sleep. I have been sleep deprived for like 3 days, so I went to work with a scarf on because I was not styling this. I put some of my Dove hair styling cream in it, like the kids version, and I just went to work with a scarf on. But this is what it's looking like. I am really impressed with how it came out on my eyebrows. Like, can we just talk about that first? I was scared at first because y'all saw my eye right here was like raised and it was dark, and it went away, but I'm scared I got a little bit of a chemical burn, so hopefully I don't have any lasting effects going throughout life, because that was very scary. I love how it looks and how it came out. The only problem was this part lost all of the color, and on camera it looks a little orange, so it doesn't look too bad, but in person it's very light. And it's also because this hair is dead hair, and it was hair that's been processed so long. I'm gonna cut it, but I am gonna put my Lime Crime semi-permanent hair dye on the ends of it, so that it'll just be closer to the color of this. It's like a butterscotch, so it's kind of what the color looks like. So it definitely will match. I waited 30 minutes with this on, but then I just decided that I'm just gonna leave it in and blow dry out like that. I sometimes do that with my dyes that are like conditioner dyes and like a temporary, and I'm gonna do it with this one because I just don't want any of the color to go out because I'm not gonna be able to dye it the braids in. I picked some of the most craziest colors to put together because I wanted, one, to have it match the copper, but two, I was like, I need like a really fire color. So in total I have 9 packs of hair, and I picked out the red copper that'll match my hair, this really pretty ombre pink. I cannot get away from the pink hair. I just love pink hair. And then there's regular brown. The pink is like the wild card, and I'm really excited to see how it'll look with the copper. And I also have a little bit of hair left from when I did my Lazy Girl Knotless braids. If you haven't seen the video, go watch it. It's a really good video. And I break it down how to do knotless braids in that one. 9 packs of hair in total, like I said. I also felt like I should have got like a platinum or a blonde, but we're gonna do probably a bunch of braids this year, so next one will be blonde braids. I'm trying to keep these braids in for at least 2 months or so as I go to Bible school, which that whole testimony video, go watch because that's up right now. Circuit Rider's testimony, go watch that video. And so in a week, I literally leave out. So I wanna make sure I have low maintenance hair. Now I'm about to blow dry my hair out. I'm using the Revlon. I like this thing a lot. It gets my hair quickly blow dried out very seamlessly. So I'll do that first and then we'll get into the rest of it. But y'all, why do I look like the heat miser? like twin now. Anyway, I'm also gonna insert the photo I took last time I did my hair, and where my length was and now. I hope there's like a difference that's noticeable because I feel like my hair is growing a lot. It literally gave me such a pretty ombre, and it's gonna look so pretty in the braid. I'm not gonna have my sister part out my hair for me because I still got some help to do this, so I'm gonna use it. And I want them to be kind of smaller. I've been doing the mediums, I do the large, but I haven't done a small braid in a second. Probably since I went to Jamaica back in like 2021, which those braids were cute. Those were really, really cute braids. But yeah, so I want to do small ones. So I'm gonna have her part it out for me. And it just makes it easier for me to just go in each braid. And I'll show you guys the parts when she is done. This is how the back is looking. You can see it's already parted out. So let's get into actually doing the hair. I'm so excited. This is the setup of my hair. I have all the other hair right here. This is where I put it all. I don't have like an actual braider thing, so I just put them on my shower, which kind of worked out perfectly. This is everything I'm using to do my hair. I keep it very simple. My usual rat tail. Then I have one that's a little bigger just to comb my hair. I would make sure it's very smooth. I put this in when it was wet, and I use shea butter. Y'all know my sister makes shea butter. Love shea butter. And to smooth it down, I use the EBIN. I usually use the grape one. This is the peach one, so we will see. I ordered the watermelon one off of Amazon and didn't get that. All of my hair is from Amazon too. Everything will be linked below if you want to buy. One down, 5,000 more to go. And it finished the ends. Well, because I'm thinking about curling some of the ends of them with flexi rods because I have some, I bought some. So I'm not gonna do the ends. I'm just gonna do them all at once because it just makes the time go by faster and it's quicker. I might even twist a few. I don't know yet, I don't know. I'll get to the pink. I'm so excited to see how the pink will look. I said I was gonna use that black, but I feel like the black is gonna be too harsh with the pink, brown, and copper, so I might not use it. We'll see though. Let's continue. Okay, so I made it to my second row. Made it to the second row. This is what it's giving. Like I told y'all, the ends weren't done yet, but I'm already feeling this pink copper brown look. Like, you know what it reminds me of? Y'all remember that like 2000s like kind of like cartoon shirts that had the monkey on it and he was like always in pink and brown? I'm gonna put it right here. This is what this is reminding me of, so maybe I have to do like some inspo makeup for that when I finish. It's the next day, nighttime at that, and I am on this section. Look how pretty it looks. I hope you guys can see it. It should be in focus. I still haven't done my ends, but it looks so clean. I'm so excited. I took a break last night. Last night I literally laid down for a second to take a break and I was like, I'm going to bed. And so that's what I did. And I literally just put a scarf on to go to church. And yeah, I'm feeling it. I'm so excited to get done with it. I'm going to do these 2 sections and then I'll come back on when I start the front. We're making good progress. Okay, it is the next day. It's like nighttime the next day. When I tell you I've taken so many stops and pauses in this process, I'm tired. I'm tired. But anyway, we're almost done though. That's the good part. We're almost done. I didn't even film this side, but I started it and I'm basically done. I just have one more in the front. I will show you guys. Oh child, braiding hair is not for the weak at heart. But this is what it's looking like. It looks cute. It's given in the back and in the front. So many braids. Not to mention, on top of still having a whole other side of the front, I still have to do these ends. And I've been commissioning my sister because I'm like, at this point, I don't want to do these ends. And I have to. So, oh, this is the side what's looking like. Hold on, let me move these. This is how the side looks. I hope you guys can see it. I feel like that didn't even show you guys. But this is how I did the side. There's 2 on the bottom. And then I think I did another set of 2 and then I did 3 for these last 2 rows. But it's coming out so cute. And I'm excited to be almost done because I'm tired. I'm tired. But yeah, let's continue getting this front together. One side is completely done. One side is completely done. It's so giving. I can't wait to be fully done. Not gonna lie though, while you're doing your hair, I look a mess. I need to be on a beach in Jamaica, tan, dark, with a culotta in my hand. Where am I? In Utah, where it's getting colder. Yeah. Somebody put in a prayer for me to get on vacation because I'm tired. Don't I look it? This is just going to be a voice recording because I ended up going on a road trip and I had no time to finish filming and showing you guys everything. So I'll just explain what I did. Basically, I finished doing all the hair and I put flexi rods in and dipped them in there with the flexi rods and then put foam on them right after. I left these flexi rods in for like almost 2 days. Not on purpose, but I also just didn't have time to take them out and I was on the road. And then I was like, well, let's see what happens if I leave them in for a while. And look at the ringlets. Like, my hair is so tightly coiled. Really, really like how it came out. Usually when I do flexi rods on knotless braids or so, I take them out right away after I dip them. But this might be what I do now because look how pretty that looks. I haven't taken any of the ringlets out because I just like how nicely it looks. And I got these flexi rods from Five Below for like $5. So this is very feasible to do. And I haven't really seen anybody do it like this. They just look so chic. They look very different. It gives like Goldilocks to me. And I just love how it looks with the red, the pink, and the brown. It came out so pretty. The colorway is just 8 down. So that's how it looks. That's how it came out towards the end. I had one in the back that I didn't get to do because I was just trying to get on the road and I was tired. So I ended up doing that. I didn't leave that in as long as I did the other ones. And it didn't curl. Like, it curled, but it didn't stay curled as tight. But that's okay. It all blends in. At some point, I will take the ringlets and like put my hands through them to kind of separate them. But for now, probably like the next 2 weeks or so, depending on how long it'll stay like that, I'm going to keep them as is. I also trimmed the ends when I was done taking those out, just to like get off all like the snarls and all that. But yeah, I'm really excited and happy with the results. Okay, this is like 5 days later, but this is the end of the video. This is how the hair is looking. I'm gonna try to pop you guys up so you can see. I finally found somewhere where I can say you guys can see. But this is the end of the video. Look at how pretty they are. Like, just hang time. Just hang time. Oh, look at that glow. Like, looking like an angel. But yes, I love how this came out. You guys saw I put flexi rods in. I didn't separate the curls after I took them out. I just love how they like sat like ringlets. So I kept them in. I was like, you know what? I might as well keep them. They ain't hurt nobody. And I even did the back one that I missed. And it just looks so pretty. I want to do this style over and over and over again. I have so much hair left, so I probably will. When I do, I will film it for you guys. And I'm also thinking about doing like a Dollar Tree like accessories and try to like do it with this hair, especially as it gets like older. I want you guys to see like all the different styles and when I separate these. Also, can we get into like, if I did an updo, sorry the air just turned on, but if I did an updo, like, so pretty. I just already see the vision. Look how pretty that is. Like, this could be such a formal. Just wait on me. Just wait on me. Thank you for watching. Thank you for tuning in. Don't forget to like and subscribe, because if you stick around this long, you've already fallen in love with this channel. And I'm so happy I got to do this style, and I cannot wait to try more. Comment below what you think about the hair colors. Comment below what you think about the curls. And I just can't wait to do more hairstyles, because like I said, it's the year of the braids, year of protective styles. Thank you for watching. I love you and God loves you. Bye.